What's going on, guys? I took my buddy Landon flying the other day on the FreedomFox, but I don't think he expected this.
Woo! Yep, this is the fun stuff. Beach rock, traffic.
Lago Vista, Rusty Allen, Airport,
No way.
Automated Weather Observation.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, we'll go.
That's just not right. Oh, good lord. This just looks different.
Yep.
It
The
just looks
visibility's
different.
incredible, isn't it?
Yeah, it just looks different, feels different.
Yep.
Yeah,
It'll feel way different here in a minute. Well, guys, this is my friend Landon. Kind of funny story how we met. Yeah, I needed a ride down to New Braunfels, and Carl was going to take me, but he had a brake issue in the 185, so Landon and another guy happened to be taking off, and so I walked up and asked which direction they were going, and they were nice enough to give me a ride, and we've been friends ever since. They've been flying the Cirrus with me, and so you trim it out, and it actually flies pretty well. You always have to control the rudder pedals, even when you're on autopilot, because there's no yaw damper. But I mean, if you trim it out right, it'll basically, you can fly everything with the rudder pedals. So it definitely is not as smooth as like the Cirrus or another plane, like when you're cruising. But I mean, I don't ever get like motion sick or anything like that, so
I know, we're pilots.
never bothers me. But I've had people fly in the Highlander with me that are pilots that have gotten sick.
Oh, really?
So let me know. I guess somewhere around here I should keep those throw-up bags
No,
around,
no,
but
no,
I'm
no.
sure you'll be fine.
I'm totally fine.
It's a pretty smooth day anyway. One of the things I love to do is get past this little cliff, just drop down. Yeah, it's just a very different flying experience than in a Cirrus or, you know, a regular plane.
Yeah, this is too cool.
Yep. And I'll let you fly here in a minute, but it also really teaches you stick and rudder.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I mean, basically the Cirrus flies itself when you compare it to this thing.
916, Tango. 4 miles to the west, going to overfly 3,500.
It's a much different experience.
And I want to fly it right now.
You want to take over?
Yeah,
All right, your airplane.
my airplane.
Woo! Follow it around that way.
How's my flying?
A little more bank, less rudder.
Okay.
Some ducks. Yeah, I struggle with that too, especially on my left turns. I always try to use the rudder too much to steer it, so that your ball is right here. I don't think you have a ball on that side. Here, I'm going to take over here because I'm going to go over these power lines and then drop down, so I'll take the airplane.
All right, you have the aircraft. That was fun.
Yeah.
This is a nice little area, man.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Like desert out here now.
Yeah, this is one of my favorite areas to come fly through.
Yeah. Oh man, it's fun.
Yeah. Oh, there's some people. Alright, then here I usually climb up. Alright, we're getting over here to Marble Falls, Lake Marble Falls.
Nice.
Yeehaw. We'll just keep rolling. Oh yeah, let's cut over to Sandy Creek again. This is what's cool, is that you've got a couple of these little hills, you know,
Yep.
that you can fly around. You'll see up when we get up to Sandy Creek, it's even cooler. Oh, windy today.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a cool little canyon to fly through. Alright, if you want to take over again,
Alright, where to?
we're going to go straight that way to, I think it's right on the other side of one of these hills, is Enchanted Rock.
Okay. I saw him. I was
There
like,
you go.
yeah.
You can start to see
So that's Enchanted Rock.
Enchanted Rock. It's just a big monolithic dome, no trees on it. Well, we're doing okay on fuel, but I don't know how long Lago is going to be out, so let's run up to Llano. Llano is just right up here. Go fill up and then head back that way. There are a couple spots maybe we'll land. Minor traffic experimental 318 Juliet, right base the final 17 grass Llano. Gonna fly again?
Hell yeah.
Alright, your airplane. Just don't go too much lower, otherwise we really got to watch out for power lines.
Okay.
Because there are a couple that come across here.
Doing better.
And when we get up here to the corner, I'll take it because I may try to land right here.
Alright.
Depending on what the wind's doing. I'll drop some smoke and we can turn around and see what it does.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Alright, I'll take it from here.
You have the controls.
My controls.
Your controls. Dusting off those trees.
Get out for a minute if you want. Yep, this is the fun stuff. Oh shit. Alright, here we go. Beach Rock traffic.
That's cool as hell.
Yep,
Can I fly some more?
nice and easy. Sure, there's some power lines again up here, so
Okay.
just don't go lower than this.
Alright.
Alright, your airplane.
My airplane.
You can trim it if you want a little bit.
Can you land on that one, on that sand?
You could, yeah. I don't know if the houses would appreciate it, but definitely it's long enough. What do you think about flying this?
This is flying. I've been flying since I was 14 years old. Since 2000, that's how I am old. Now I feel it. But funnest airplanes I've ever flown was a Cub and this now.
This, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep, they're very, very similar to a Cub. Yeah, it definitely teaches you stick and rudder.
Yep. And Dave's getting nosebleed right now because I'm flying at 2,000 feet.
Yeah, we're like 2,000 feet. I don't know what we're doing way up here.
This is still too low for me. I'm usually up no less than like 4,000.
Yep. Yeah, that was a fun day though, right? Flying around. What did we hit? Sandy Creek, went through the canyon,
Yep.
went out to Llano, got some fuel, got some barbecue.
Saw West Texas.
Yep. Got to see the actual hill country.
That was cool.
Yep. Well guys, we're heading back to Llano now. Go put the plane away. Been a good day of flying. For that guys, I'll see you on the next video.